Nurgeena.
Assalamualaikum dear friends, how are you all? And as you know, we booked a hotel in the Upper Neelum and we stayed over there for some time and made ourselves fresh. And now we are getting ready for going to the Lower Neelum, that is Keran. We parked our car on the Upper Neelum and we are going to go to Keran by a jeep. Yapoo!
ये लाइटिंग किस चीज के ऊपर को जा रही है बाबू?
ये इंडियन है ना?
इंडिया
आगे की होती है।
बाढ़ लगाई हुई है ये क्या है?
नहीं वैसे तो लाइटिंग की है। रोशन है। कैमरे भी लगे होंगे।
Dear friend, I'm telling you that the road from Upper Neelum to Keran is very risky. It's on the top of a mountain and you can also see the beautiful Neelam river from the top. The beautiful sunflowers, how pretty.
थोड़ी बड़ी है।
Can you see the river Neelam? It's so long. We finally reached Keran. Keran is a very beautiful place. It's near the river bank and on the other side of the river, Neelam River, it's the occupied Kashmir. Right now I'm cutting the beautiful sunflower. You can see now we are going in the lounge. Let's see where this thingy goes. Okay, so there is another way out. Okay, so I can see the beautiful trees outside. They look so pretty and there's greenery everywhere. Not everywhere, almost everywhere. And you can see the beautiful flowers. Can you like these yellow flowers and white flowers? So pretty, right? And these beautiful flowers, and can you see those red flowers? They look so pretty. Okay, we are going forward now. We go forward. You can see the flag of Pakistan with the flag of another small Pakistan flag. Now we are going to turn. We are going towards the river bank. Ooh, and can you see the river is so fast from here? If anyone falls, he will not survive. Or if he survives, then that's very good. Can you see these small cute huts and these single sitting benches? This beautiful mosque is in the occupied Kashmir. Oh, it's time for horse riding. Yahoo! You know, I really love horse. And when I was small, I loved horse. And my brother, he was scared of horses. Like, who can be scared of horse? They're so cute. So my brother said, I'll just sit down and watch the Occupied Kashmir. And my dad said, okay. So right now I'm riding on the horse. Do you love horse? This is my big question. I really, really, really love horse. I said my dad to keep a pony. I'm not talking about the pony that we wear on our hairs. I'm talking about the horse pony. And you see, this horse's hairs are so wide, and the horse is also white, and it's a horse, not a pony. Now it's my brother's turn, and we insisted for him to take a ride on the horse. He was like, no, 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 and then finally said, okay. Now we will go around to see other places near the riverbank. And see over here, the water is so fast. Can you see? OMG. And there are also some apple trees in here. And can you see that big bunch of apple over there? It looks so cute. It looks like that it's a full group of apples growing in one place, just like a family. Do you know apples are also family on a big tree? And now we are over here to sit somewhere and eat. So let's find a very good place. Over here. Yeah. Guys, this is walnut tree. I said my dad that I want to pick some apples.
छोड़ो और
Ozgul will throw the rotten apple in the river. We have ordered our dinner and now we are waiting. My brother and me were bored, so we started to play. Our yummy yummy food is here, and now we will eat our food and then we will go back to Upper Neelum where we had our hotel. So now we will eat the yummy 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 food.
गाड़ी के पास ठीक है।
आ जाइए, आप भी खाएं।
मैंने कुछ खा लिया। आपको पता नहीं टाइम बहुत ज्यादा है।
Now we are going back towards our hotel where it is on the Upper Neelum. Dear friends, we will stay in our hotel for one night and then we will go out for a fun adventure. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.